Hello everyone, I'm Hongyue. Today I want to show you how to create a new survey in Qualtrics, which is important for us to distribute an online survey. The first step is to log in Qualtrics through your Purdue account. It is same as you log into other software or apps, so I ignore this step. After that, you will see this page here in Qualtrics. So the next step is to create a new project. Click this bottom here. Then you will go to this page. Here we can select the survey. After that, you can put your name, the name of your survey here, such as test. Then click Get Started. After that, you will go to the page that you can design different questions here. For the design of questions, you can import questions from outside documents. Also, you can create a new question by hand. I will use this to show you how to create questions. After you click this button, you will see a new question here. You can change the question text here, such as 1, 2, 3, 4. And also you can click here to write your choice 1, 2, 3, 4. Everything can be added. Also, at the right side, you can select different types of questions, such as multiple choice, matrix, and also you can see what it will look like at the right side here. After you decided all the questions and the sequence of the different things, you can click the publish here. Click publish. And then you can see that the survey is activated. Then you can go to the distribution page to see that there is a link here. Use this link, you can distribute your survey. Thank you.